So what I'm going to do today is get these prepped and spray dyed. I cleaned them off as best as I could last night. Continued, I got all the grime off, some paint came off. I'm going to take out the lock so I don't have to tape around that. And then I'll tape and mask the sides and get these dyed. All masked off and ready to paint. Nice light coats is all you need. And just keep repeating nice and light coats. Whoop, let me get out of there. Just keep doing nice light coats and it'll be fine. Gotta fix that. So after 4 or 5 coats, light coats, they're looking pretty good. Much better than they were. Of course, there's still some spots on it, as you can see, but reusing the same pieces, you know, it's bound to be like that. And so if I put another coat here and another coat right there, should cover it and should finish it, and these should be done and ready for carpet.